Welcome to Nurtured Living Cooking with Kids. Today we're going to make a chocolate friendship slice. This is a slice we love to share with friends.
You will need 1 cup of pepitas, 1 cup of other mixed seeds. We're using sunflower, chia, hemp and linseeds. 2 cups of desiccated coconut. 2/3 of a cup of cacao powder. 4 teaspoons of coconut oil. And 1.5 cups of dates, or if you have medjool dates, 18. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of honey. Raw local honey is the best.
Now we put the lid on and we'll blitz for 30 seconds. Add a piece of baking paper into your tray. And now we're going to add the mixture. Now we're going to put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching Nurtured Living Cooking with Kids, and we'll see you next time. Bye!